Everyone, please pay attention. You need to. Do you want to eat braised pork trotters with soybeans? Just like how I make it, it's tender, flavorful, and not greasy at all, with perfect color, aroma, and taste. The key is that the method is, it's super simple. Let's see how I did it. To make this dish, we'll use pig's trotters and soybeans. Let's change it. Do you have a knife? Older brothers and sisters, do you know whether the front or hind legs of a pig's trotter taste better? I think your older brothers and sisters already know. Now, we'll sharpen the knife and chop it up as big as possible, so it'll be more satisfying to eat. After chopping everything up, now, this step, getting to the heart, is extremely crucial because pig's trotters, by their very nature, have a very heavy heart meat. It's hard to eat if you remove it. Remove fishy smell. It's very simple then. We just add a big spoonful of salt and some Shaoxing wine. Salt also has strong osmotic properties. Quickly remove the blood from the pig's feet. It forces out the Shaoxing wine, which can effectively remove fishy odors and enhance aroma. We'll mix it well and let it soak here for 10 minutes. Soak. We'll put it in the pot along with the Shaoxing wine from now on. Make sure to add 1 or 2 ounces of hot water to the pot while kneading. As the water temperature slowly rises, the blood on the surface has been released. Now it's turned into rotten residue, which is a source of bacteria. It must be thoroughly cleaned. Then take it out and be sure to wash it with warm water, because pig's feet it's like hot water meeting cold water. Due to the principle of thermal expansion and contraction, its meat will become tough and dry and won't taste good. My brother shares a home-style recipe every day. I stumbled upon this today. If you've watched this video, please give me a little red heart to encourage and support me. In case you want to eat it next time, you can always find me when you need help. My dad wishes everyone a happy new year. May you enjoy good health, all your wishes come true, earn lots of money, and have less anger. Congratulations on your fortune. Thank you for your support. It was cleaned thoroughly. Later, we'll fish it out and give it to it. After draining the water, pour it directly into the rice cooker. For those who like soybeans, add some more soybean kernels, scallions, ginger, star anise. Season with cinnamon, bay leaves, dried chili peppers, and a pinch of salt. Chicken bouillon. Pepper powder enhances flavor and removes fishy smell. Add half a spoonful of light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce for color, and a squeeze of oyster sauce. The caramel color in braised dishes. Adding a little hawthorn will make the color look even better. Pour in a bottle of beer to remove the fishy smell, enhance the aroma, and tenderize the meat. Finally, add half a bowl of water. Close the lid, press the cook button, and let it simmer for a short time. It's that simple. Let's see how it goes in a bit. It's time. Let's see how it goes. The moment the lid was opened, the whole room was filled with a fragrance. The color was bright red. Special. Finally, turn up the heat to reduce the sauce a little. Then it's ready to be served. Sprinkle with cute little scallions. You've fooled us, haven't you, brothers and sisters? My sister's braised pig's trotters are done. These all look so delicious. I couldn't resist and had to try them to see how they tasted. Tender and flavorful, rich but not greasy. This is so fragrant and delicious. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and make it yourself.